Hey folks, what's shaking? So we're gonna try something a little nerve-wracking today for 3-Point Thursday. I dropped some cards off in Vegas for PSA to grade in April, and I brought the greatest investment of my childhood, this Michael Jordan 86 Fleer rookie card, which had been put in a thick glass screw-down case. So that's something you never want to do. And PSA gave it a altered score because it has been smashed down into this screw down case. Now, I was talking to my buddy Kurt's Card Care. Follow him on Instagram and YouTube, Kurt's Card Care. And he was explaining to me that these are fixable. So what we're going to try to do today is use a humidor to get this. I'm going to break it out of the case and I'm going to put it in the humidor for 30 minutes on both sides, let it sit, and hope that the card thickens back up to its original state. All right, so I'm going to put some sunglasses on just because little chunks of plastic could be flying and my future's so bright I've got to wear shades. So I've got my tool right here, and I'm going to cut this Jordan rookie out of the case. Whoa. Ooh, that was nerve-wracking. All right. So, voila. The goat is out. All right, so this is a humidor for cigars. I've got it at about 70% humidity. And then the mic goes in the humidor. I'm going to close it up. And I'm going to put a 30-minute timer. And then I'm going to flip the card and do the other side for 30 minutes. Well, I've got some good news. The Michael Jordan rookie card that I showed in the video of me trying to repair it, it ended up working out. First of all, I want to thank and recommend Kurt's Card Care. He's on YouTube and he's on Instagram. I actually bought one of his card cleaning kits. And when I picked up this Jordan rookie after having it graded by PSA in Las Vegas, and I received the altered grade, I contacted him, and he basically walked me through how to repair it. I waited until I got to my mom's house in Arkansas because where I live in the low desert of Nevada, there is really no humidity at all. I used a cigar humidor that I bought on Amazon. It was a cheap one. It seemed to take forever to get it to 75% humidity, which is what Kurt recommended. But the card spent 30 minutes on both sides in the humidor, and I pulled it out, and then about a week later, there was this giant thunderstorm here in Arkansas, and there was a lot more humidity, so I did 2 rounds, another round of 30 minutes on both sides, and then I sleeved up the card and sent it to PSA for grading. Now I only have a 5.5, but that is a few $1,000s more than what it was worth as the altered grade. It's going to be listed on eBay right now. If you see this on my Instagram and you would like to make an offer, feel free to do so. It would be a PayPal transaction with goods and services listed, so there is protection for the buyer and the seller. I will also have it on eBay. My plan right now is to put a buy it now price, and that can be negotiated a little bit. Anyway, I'm just really glad that it worked out. When I first saw that I had the altered score back in April, I was upset about it, worried about it, and disappointed. I bought this card at a sports card show at the Armory in Springdale, Arkansas, back in, I think it was 88, maybe 87. And I paid $2.50 for this card. It's the best investment I ever made in my entire life. I wish I would have bought 100 of them, right? I'd be sitting wealthy. Wouldn't have to work anymore. So anyway, like I said, big thanks to Kurt's Card Care. I sent him a message 2 or 3 times, and he would do a voice recording back to me. Nicest guy in the world. Walked me through the process. One more thing I want to say. If you, like me, had some of your best cards in these really thick, heavy, screwed down cases, they were really popular in the 80s. They're terrible for cards. A lot of places will make you think that they're ruined. You know, like mine with the altered score. I tried to talk to PSA about it at the show in Vegas, and they were basically made me feel like there's no hope. Those cards can be fixed, at least to a certain extent, where you won't get the altered score. Altered score. It's a cigar humidor with good water. I forget the one that doesn't have any minerals. Nice water, and you wait it out. I also recommend, I had another 86, another Fleer card of the same brand, and I could compare the two. These cards are really, really skinny already, but then being in that thick screw down case and having it pushed down on it for 30 years, it made it even thinner, even skinnier. But the process worked. I'm glad that I got the card back in my possession. Thanks again, Kurt. You're the man. You're a rock star. Peace.